welcome to my channel. See how I'm up and it.
Okie dokie. Alright, this little video I'm going to show you how to go from D2S to H11. H11. So you don't have to use that adapter, because as you can see what happened, this was on the car and it started melting. So you don't want to go that way anymore. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna get a H11 bolt, and you're gonna cut those little 3 ears, and then you're gonna make the top. You're gonna make the top little square. So cut the 3 ears, take the seal off, make the top square. Now we're going to put it in. I might have a little struggle with one hand, but see how it goes. You put it in the hole. Get one side on. There you go. So as you can see, let's see if I can zoom in. That's perfect in there. So now we do all the connection, run the wire. You can drill 1-inch hole on the cover, or you can run it on the side like I had the other one. I had the other one on the side. On the side, can you see? Right here. Right here. But you can also drill 1-inch hole if you want on the cup. Where's the cup? Somewhere. Right here. You can drill 1 hole, 1 inch here, put the gasket on. Alright, so let me connect everything, and then we'll do the test. So 1 second. Yep. No, the light. The light. Alright, so I'm gonna do final test. So once you have that in, you got your little notch. Now you're ready to put your cover back on. And as you can see, there's the light. H11. You can turn it back off. Thank you, sir. Yep. So now you gotta find cover. I'll get this glue off. I should be able to just close it. So there's a little screw go up there. Right there. Now you take your little screw. This thing has the little pointy thing, so you gotta have a key with a little hole. I can put that here. Let me start it up by hand first so I don't drop it. Where is it? Oh, it goes. Oh, that's gonna be hard.